Maging isip at pag-uugali ng pasyente. Pero ibang-iba ang nakilala ni Aquino Council na may cancer. Parang wala silang sakit at nirentana ang problema.
When her medical team came to see her to tell her that we could not continue treatment anymore, that the chemotherapy was going to end up doing more harm than good because her disease had progressed so much. One of the things Jackie said was, well, I hope you can learn from my situation and my experience to be of more help to the other cancer patients in the hospital.
Dalawang taon nakipaglaban ang mag-asawang Bobet at Jackie Suntay sa sakit na cancer. Natuklasan na may cancer of the ovaries si Jackie 2 linggo pagkatapos graduate ng medicine sa Harvard University. Sa pagkabigla, halos ayaw ng pakinggan ng mag-asawa ang sinasabi ng doktor tungkol sa kalagayan ni Jackie. Isang support group sa Boston, ang wellness community, ang tumulong sa kanila harapin ang katotohanan.
One of the social workers in the hospital who had been assigned to us told us about a group called the Wellness Community, provided support services for persons with cancer and their families. So we started going there. We availed of a number of the programs, support groups, counseling.
Sa kabila ng hirap ng pagpapagamot, naging malakas daw si Jackie sa pagharap sa sakit. Lagi siyang nakangiti. Gusto sana niyang tumulong sa ibang may sakit tulad ng nagawa ng wellness community para sa kanila. Hindi na nakita ni Jackie ang kanyang pangarap. Namatay siya noong taong 2005. Pero tinupad ito ni na Bobet, mga kaibigan at pamilya. Wow! Sino mag-aakala na may malukha silang sakit? Ganito daw ang gustong mangyari ni Jackie noon.
Jackie was very, very instrumental in getting the idea off the ground. And, you know, as we were kind of doing the back of the napkin planning and sketching, Jackie gave a lot of her inputs. So I know this is something that she herself, you know, would be very, very happy to see.
Noong Enero lang binuksan ang Carewell community, pero busy-busy na ang mga tao dito ngayon. May 100 na daw ang naservisyohan nito mula noon.
It's kind of like a buffet table. They pick and choose what they're interested in.
We have different activities here that helps us not to stay idle. Kasi pag idle kami, nandiyan papasok ang feeling of depression, papasok yung mga negative thoughts.
Libre lahat ng serbisyo ng Carewell, ang kaisa-isang branch ng wellness community sa Southeast Asia.
We're not a medical facility at all. We tell doctors that if they refer their patients with cancer to us, we can put them through programs that will help them make the most out of their medical treatment by helping them replenish and revitalize themselves, giving them opportunities to relax, giving them resources to inform themselves more about their illness and their treatment options.
Puro volunteers ang mga staff ng Carewell. Sa pagtulong sa may sakit, pati daw sila ay natutulungan gumaling.
It feels good, you know, that you're making time for something that's not just for yourself, where you know, it's good for your soul.
Isa sa mga naservisyohan ng mga volunteers, si Mrs. Marisa Narida.
Having cancer since 2001 is no joke. I no longer fear death. I am not afraid anymore. Kasi noon, medyo may idle time pa ako. Ngayon, on the go kami, on the go. Para bang, like, I look forward to our Wednesday group. I look forward to my art class. Sino na ako?
Malaki daw ang pinagbago ni Marisa simula nang maging miyembro ng grupo.
Masaya si mami ngayon, hindi na siya yung depressed, lagi na siyang may bagong kwento every time nagagaling siyang Carewell. Happy siya pag nagagaling siya doon. Kaya sabi nga namin kung pwedeng everyday na lang siya nagpupunta doon.
Kasi dito, I I am a family. I'm a close friend. I'm everything to them. At kami mismo mga cancer victims, we help each other. We interact. So natututo kami sa bawat isa. Nakakakuha kami ng ideas sa kanila, mga health, mga nutritious food, kung anong dapat, sinasabi namin ng bawal at hindi. So we help each other. So we look forward to this.
Patients with cancer and their family members are very, very much challenged by certain, they call them kind of psychosocial stressors. Unwanted aloneness, loss of hope, loss of control. These three are very, very significant challenges that people living with cancer face. So if you just imagine someone with those difficulties going into a situation where they are having, say, very, very crucial surgery, or they have to face the challenges of chemotherapy and radiation therapy. If you're kind of trying to deal with all of that at once, it can be a pretty daunting challenge. Yeah, very, very heavy.
Lord Jesus, I'm here again before.
Para kay Marisa, maraming malagang aspeto sa kanyang sakit ang di kayang gamutin ng chemotherapy o kahit na anong gamot.
For me, cancer is a blessing. Because God has given me the time to cleanse myself. And secondly, God has given me time to be with my loved ones, prepare them. Because all my children, my husband, my children, they're fully aware I can go anytime. Thank you, O Lord Jesus, for everything that you've done for me and for my family.
Well, I want to incredible sa San Francisco.